Hey guys, today we will discuss about some best games for your console and PC. All of these games are first person shooter which are disaster in gaming industry. I am not ranking these games, all games are best on their own. So let's start the video. So our first game is Escape from Tarkov, based on realistic and hardcore FPS survival game which was launched in July 2017. It has many modes online and offline. This story is set in the fictional city of Tarkov, where Scarves controls city due to social breakdown of Tarkov, and there is a war between two private military organizations, USEC, United Security, and BR. Extreme realistic gameplay with high-end graphics. You are free to play solo or in groups, and the aim of the player is to survive and loot. Now our second game is Battlefield. Battlefield has a huge fan following among gamers who love to play FPS. It has both modes single and multiplayer, both online and are offline, with diverse location and short stories based on the war and military operation, where you free to fight with guns, tanks and also airstrikes. Battlefield 5 is the latest version of this franchise, which is based on World War II and the 16th installment in the Battlefield series. You can also play online multiplayer with your friends. Next level of graphics made this game more awesome, and in 2018 it was won the title of Best Online Multiplayer Game in Game Critics Awards. Now our third game is Apex Legends. Apex Legends is also an online multiplayer battle royale game like PUBG, which has two gameplay modes. In battle royale, up to 60 players join in 2 or 3 group squad and land on an island, aim to search for weapons and supplies before attempting to defeat all other players in combat. The available play area on the island shrink over time. Also there is a team deathmatch of 3 vs 3. Apex Legends surpassed over 100 million players. Now our next game is The Division 2. Tom Clancy The Division 2 is an online shooting game which is a sequel of its franchise game The Division. The story is set in a near future Washington DC after 7 months of its predecessors, where there is a virus named Green Poison released by terrorists, and the situation turns into a pandemic, resulting in casualties and chaos on a global scale. Players can customize their characters' players and free to choose from a variety of guns like assault rifles, snipers, submachine guns and grenades, as well as drones. As you complete mission, you earn XP to buy new guns and their attachments. Now next game is Overwatch. Overwatch is a top class online multiplayer game. This game is full of dynamic action and you can create unique character. It assigns players into 2 teams, each of 6 players, with each player selecting from a large roster of characters known as heroes with unique abilities. Very fantastic, and you can enjoy this game. This game is nominated in many awards functions and win many awards. I personally recommend you to play this game. Now our next game is Star Wars Battlefront 2. Star Wars franchise is very successful in movies, but they step in gaming industry also. Battlefront 2 is an action shooter video game based on Star Wars franchise, featuring both single and multiplayer game modes. Gameplay is split in 2 main categories: ground battle and space battle. You have more than 20 maps to play. We came back soon with part 2, and if you like this video, please share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.